Hey there! We are inside of NotebookLM, and we're here because we can use NotebookLM to take complex information and to create a mind map from that information. In NotebookLM, you start with the sources that you want to upload. You can upload specific PDFs, text files, markdown files, or audio here in the Upload Sources area. You can also upload sources that you already have in your Google Drive, as long as that Google Drive is the same account of your NotebookLM account of your In some cases, you can use an entire website. You can place the link to that website here by clicking on this button that says Website. You can also use specific YouTube videos, and you can place those YouTube videos inside of NotebookLM. The number of sources that you can use in any notebook depends on the level of account that you have. You can use up to 50 sources, or as in the case, as what you see on your screen. This is a NotebookLM Advanced account, and that means you can use up to 300 sources in one notebook. You can also copy and text here in this area to demonstrate mind mapping. What you can also do is you can click this link that say Discover Sources. You can write the sources that you are interested in. Once you have your Discover Sources in here, once you have written in your sources, you can then click Submit. NotebookLM will go to the web to look for specific sources. You can choose to import any or all of the sources, or the ones that you want. For the sake of this video, we're going to use all of the sources that are selected. We're going to import those sources to NotebookLM once we have all of the sources that we want to use inside of NotebookLM. One of the things that you will notice is that NotebookLM will then attempt to find a theme and then give your notebook a title. Now, although there are a number of elements that you can start with your NotebookLM, including an audio overview, one of the elements that you may want to undertake would be to click on Mind Map. What we're going to click on Mind Map. You will notice then that there is a generation process, and it doesn't take long for the mind map to generate. However, the process is not instantaneous. It does take a few seconds. Once you have your mind map, you can click on the mind map, and you will see the mind map elements for your sources available. What you'll typically notice is that there are multi-levels, and so when you click on one of the elements, you will see your mind map change. You will also see that NotebookLM will then produce content based on the element that you clicked on, and you can see that content here. You can then switch back to the mind map, and you can then download the entire mind map to your computer. Although the mind map will not be clickable, you will have the mind map on your computer. There you have it, and I will see you in another video.